CIPLA Quarterly Update. CIPLA Limited is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company. CIPLA showcased a robust top line despite a high COVID base, especially from One India and North America. CIPLA reported revenues of Rs 53.7 billion, up by 2.2% sequentially. EBITDA margins at 21.3% were up by 700 bps sequentially. The margins improved on the back of the cost containment and calibrated pricing actions. The management expects the full year margins to be in the range of 21 to 22%. CIPLA's future outlook remains positive as it plans to accelerate growth across chronic therapies in One India market, build a global consumer wellness franchisee across India and South Africa, scale up US core formulations revenue in respiratory and peptide franchises, and implement continuous cost-cutting initiatives. We have an OUTPERFORM rating on CIPLA and ascribe a price target of Rs 1136. For more updates like these, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.